Welcome students, subject mathematics, standard 8th.
Chapter number 2, Parallel Lines and Transversal. What is parallel lines? Parallel lines, the lines in the same plane which do not intersect each other, are called parallel lines. Line L and line M are parallel lines is written as line L parallel line M. Transversal and angle made by transversal. Look at the given figure. Line N intersect line L and M in two distinct points C and D respectively. A line that intersects two other lines at two distinct points is called a transversal. Line N is the transversal of the line L and M. Now you observe this figure. Look at the first figure. Line B intersects line D and Q in two distinct points. Therefore, line B is the transversal of D and Q. Now look at the second figure. Line P intersect line T and Q in single point, and note that two distinct point. Figure 2, line P not a transversal of T and Q. Second figure, line P, line T and line Q are called concurrent lines. Angles made by a transversal. Look at the figure. Line E and F intersect line AB and line CD in two distinct points O and P respectively. Therefore, line EF is a transversal. The transversal EF meets 8 angles, 4 at point O and 4 at point P. If you are observe these angles carefully, you will find one arm of each of these angles is on transversal and other on one of the given lines. Let us study these different pairs of angles, angle FOB and angle OPD, angle BOP and angle DPF, angle EOA and angle OPC, and angle AOB and angle CPF. In each of these pairs of the arms on the transversal are in the same direction and the other arms are the same side of the transversal. A pair of such angles is called a pair of corresponding angles. Look at the figure and we will write the corresponding angles. First, angle EOB and angle OPD. Second one, angle BOP and angle DPF. Third one, angle EOA and angle OPC. Fourth one, angle AOP and angle CPF. Now we learn about interior angles. Now, a pair of angles which are on the same side of the transversal and are inside the given lines is called pair of interior angles. Look at the figure. First one, angle POB and angle OPD. Second one, angle AOP and angle OPC are the two pair of interior angles. In the given figure, identify the pair of corresponding angles and interior angles. First one, the pair of corresponding angles. Angle AOD and angle OLF. Angle DOL and angle FLB. Angle AOC and angle OLF. Angle COL and angle ELB. The pair of interior angles angle DOL and angle OLF. Second one, angle COL and angle OLE.
Look at the figure here. Line XY intersects line AB and CD in two distinct points P and Q respectively. Let us denote the eight angles formed. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E, angle F, angle G, angle H as shown in the figure. Angle A, angle B, angle G, angle H, outer side of the angle. These angles are called exterior angles. Angle C, angle D, angle E, angle F, inner side of the angle. Angle C, angle D, angle E, angle F, inner side of the angles AB and CD. They are interior angles. In each pair, the angles are on the opposite side of the transversal and their arms on the transversal show opposite directions. Such a pair of angles is called a pair of alternate angles. The alternate angles at the inner side of the given lines are called interior alternate angles. Two pair of alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. First, angle D, that is angle APQ, and angle F, that is angle PQD. Angle C, that is angle PBQ, and angle E, that is angle PQC. Exterior alternate angle. First one, angle B, that is angle XBP, and angle H, that is angle YQC. Second one, angle A, that is angle XPA, and angle G, that is angle YQD.
In the given figure, line PQ is a transversal of line AB and line CD. Line PQ intersects the line AB and CD in points R and S respectively. Write the pair of interior alternate angles and exterior alternate angle. Look at the figure. Now, the two pair of interior alternate angles are first one angle ARS and angle RSD, and second one angle BRS and angle RSC. Now, the two pairs of exterior alternate angles are first one angle PRB and angle CSQ, second one angle PRA and angle QSD are the two pairs of exterior alternate angles.
Thank you.